To Spain. Hush.
JoJo Cars back with another video, man. We are in Big Bertha right now. Before we start this video, make sure you guys follow the gram, JoJo's Mobile Details, and subscribe to the channel ASAP. If you're here already, you might as well subscribe and check it out. I know you guys are all looking for the INFINITI and all that, but it is obviously not here. And I do have to update you guys about that and all that, but for now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. If you haven't watched my latest videos when I was selling my stuff to Carvana and all that stuff, make sure you guys go check it out. It's all on the channel. Everything should be on the channel. All the links should be in the channel, honestly, bro. So, but we clearly do have a box right here, a mysterious box. If you read the title, if you read the thumbnail, you obviously know what this is. And I'm going to shout out the company and everything all through the video, and the link in bio should be where you could order it and where you should get everything from. So make sure you guys support the company that sent it to me. It's Ninte Shop. And I'm gonna show you guys like everything between the shop and everything. So make sure you guys just stay in tune to that. Right now I'm about to be headed to my boy's house right now, and then we're gonna get to installing this thing. But for now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel for real, and remember to follow the gram. Once again, I really have nothing left to say. I do have to update you guys about a lot of things, why I haven't been posting and all that extra stuff, but obviously I really don't have a car for that much content, like, you know what I'm saying? So it's all like pretty repetitive. So yeah, that's basically all I say. Like, once again, I'm gonna be updating you guys all with that in a future video. This video is obviously for a Q50 diffuser. So yeah, just make sure you guys subscribe, and I will update you guys in the future. And right now I'm about to be headed to my boy's shop, like I mean not shop, but house, like I said, and we're gonna be installing the diffuser. So stay tuned. We're gonna be unboxing, installing, all that. So just stay tuned. All right, y'all. This mug clean right here. Sheesh. Yeah, this is gonna be a nice little accent. This is gonna get a little before. How you doing? How you doing? How you feeling? You on the video? Oh yeah, it's still clean as fuck. I know you clean it, bro. You can tell. Ain't not even dust on it right now, bro.
I have to actually replace my wheels.
For your rims, right? Damn, so you got those? Yes, sir.
I replaced it because I cracked one, buddy.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
Damn.
This one's cracked. Ordered me a new one. I fixed the one that got fucked.
Yeah.
So it's gonna come in like a week.
Car shit for real, bro. This should be happening, bro. Happens to everybody. Getting a phone call right now. This is like literally the story of my life right now. Stacks. Really gonna unbox this joint. Got a good package up. FedEx had me sign it. All that. I was updated like crazy. Like everywhere that it went. Damn, I'm struggling. Oh yeah, I know Ryan's always busy. Ryan's always doing something, bro.
You said you could do it at 10 p.m.
Yeah, see? Yeah, he's always coming out late, bro. I swear.
He'll be coming out with us to get money.
Yeah, I already know, though, bro. He's cool people. I haven't been coming out because I don't have a car fast enough, too.
I'm the slowest car in the group.
See, that's what I'm saying. Everybody got turbos.
Exactly, bro.
Yeah, see?
I'm just trying to make it look nice first. You know?
Hey, bro, that's all you need, bro.
Once I'm done with all that, I'm going to lower it a little bit.
I was the slowest Infinity with it when I was with them, too. So,
That's
bro.
what I'm saying. I'm not trying to do all that.
Damn, this mug looks good as hell already. Y'all ready for this? Damn, this mug about to be raw. Y'all see that? That mug looks cold-blooded. Damn, yeah, that's clean. He's like, I can't wait to put it on. And the lights work. I'm pretty sure the lights work.
No, yeah. I just don't know how to do the wiring.
Yeah, that's the one thing. But you could have it just like
I'm gonna have it hanging for a bit.
yeah, hang it to the trunk. That's clean though. Yes, sir. So it did come in a lot of good packaging, bro. You guys see all the wiring, pre-spliced and everything. Everything from the light. Turn it over. Lights right here. It's fire. So it's supposed to be 3M then. I wonder if there's 3M anyway. So yeah, no 3M. All right, y'all. So don't mind all the stuff. Everybody's trunk is bogus. All right, so there's a hole in the Q50. I did not even know this. That just drops straight down from right here and goes straight to the trunk. Obviously, everything is right here. We're probably going to wire all the lights and stuff later, just cause we got to do a little bit more with that. Otherwise, we could probably. The most we could do is probably like AutoZone splice wires, like, you know what I'm saying? And that's like the simplest choice right now, but we're probably gonna leave it alone and make a separate video with that. And if we do that, you know, so just stay in tune with that, but we're just gonna try to get it on for now. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, just try to find like some solid points. Yeah, like straight bottom. That's like your choice. I don't know. For the most part, I'll probably get a rag and wipe it and shit, but that's about it. Just make sure it's clean and shit, but this is just glass cleaner?
Yeah.
You could probably use like a glass wipe or some shit, or yeah, protecting would defeat the purpose, but so we're probably gonna line up the tape. So like we were just looking for the wire point right now. So I'm probably gonna line up the tape around here. Probably like obviously not try to show it on that slit, and then wire like right here. And then I'm going to probably put another one on the bottom. And then we're obviously gonna have maybe the drills into the top. That's the way to do it, but he said that he wanted to maybe leave that for now or see how that goes. But we'll see what happens. So just stay in tune to what you see. I'll show you what I do with the 3M right now in 2 seconds. So we're gonna feed that wire up right now. Oh, he already did it. Super easy. Yeah, just feed it somewhere right there. Just make sure it doesn't fall. You can literally put this all back if you want right now. Yeah. I don't think the wire would clamp or anything, so. We'll tug it up afterwards. But you'll see that the wire is already up. So like the splicing and stuff is weird because there's like a bundle that's connected to the light. Yeah, so we knew that for sure. So, but we just don't want to mess with that now. We'd rather have a professional mess with that. Yeah. So you guys know, Infinity, Nissan, they just bundled it up like that. So we just don't want to mess with the splicing and all that. Like we just rather not. Like we're not professionals, obviously. So, but we're definitely gonna get this up. So yeah, we figured out like how we're gonna try to maneuver it up, and it looks like all the tape is touching that we gotta put. So right now we have to just peel this off. If you guys want to know how I basically put the tape on, I mean all I did was put it on and then I cut off the edge. It's kind of shiesty, but it worked. You're not gonna be able to see it for the most part. So
We're not gonna be able to see the red
at all. Yeah, the red's gonna peel off. So like all the gray, you're not gonna see it. So all right, so we're just gonna get to peeling this off and then get back to y'all. You gonna do it now or after? You could do that literally last. Yeah, just so we don't.
I don't think it'll be able to pull though, because I feel like the wire's gonna get stuck on that adhesive.
See?
Yeah.
Ooh, I was thinking about that.
So you want to stick it now before?
Yeah, we could just put it in and make sure the wire's already tugged.
Yeah. I'm gonna pull it a little bit.
Are we ready?
Ready for this?
This is the scary part.
Alright, give me a second.
All on you. Looking good? Hey. I'll touch it. Bottom is still. Yeah, it's because. Damn, y'all. Oh, I hear it. So yeah, y'all see that? That thing looks nice on there. And then when the light works, it will probably look way cleaner. Yeah, I would say drill it, cause this,
Yeah,
the edges, yeah.
I will do it.
But other than that, bro, it looks really clean, bro. Now you look thick, y'all. No, that's really nice. And I'm about to pull up the shop on my phone. You know, like sometimes, you know, you just don't have to drill it. So there's always other ways around it. So like everything's sticking up for now. He said he's not even gonna drive it. So right now it's pretty hot.
So
it's gonna stick. Yeah, it's gonna stick.
Stick on properly.
Like I've had my wing with just adhesive for a minute. I know it's carbon fiber, so, but I had my wing too, and he could take that out right now. But now he's struggling. You could always take it out, like fully off if you want, like the whole thing off, and then just take off the adhesive.
Yeah.
But yeah, y'all, that thing does look clean. I'm gonna take like a little after video right now, It was just a bug just killing me, trying to attack me. But yeah, I did say I was gonna pull up the shop and show you guys all the information. Like I did say, I will be dropping the link in my bio, so make sure you guys check out the bio ASAP. I'll literally drop the link to the specific carbon fiber lip, obviously, because this is what the video is about. They came in good packaging. It does not come with 3M, so make sure you guys go out and grab your own 3M. And this is not just for Q50. So obviously here you guys see chargers, we see BMWs, we're seeing a lot of different things. So if you're checking out this video and you're looking for a diffuser or a front lip, they might have it for your car. Just make sure you guys check out the website. I'm gonna pull it up right now. I know this video is running on a little bit. Let's see if my phone wants to load this stuff. Loading. All right. So yeah, they should have a whole lot of marks and makes on their website. So make sure you guys check that out. Hopefully you guys could look for my videos in the near future. You guys could earn up to 30% off. And I'm gonna drop my code, because I have my own personal code that they obviously gave me. If you guys see, they guys have 3 series, F30, Q50, Q60 probably, a whole lot of stuff. So make sure you guys check them out. Look, you got spoilers, they got a whole lot of different stuff. Front lips, you got grills, rocker panels, seat covers, bro, a whole lot of different stuff. I don't want to just surf through their whole website right now with you guys. Make sure you guys check it out. I will be putting the link in my bio, so make sure you guys check that out. That is what it's called right there. So make sure you guys check that out. Check them out once again. And yeah, the diffuser is on there, and we're gonna deal with the light in a second. So hopefully in our near future we could show you guys the rear light working. But so far it really does look so good. It just complements the car just right now. It makes it look thick. Like I said before, now he needs a lip for his truck to make it, you know, even out. He's gonna want it. Look, you see how thick it looks now? Alright. And I'm about to do a little walk around, just how I did before and after. So it wasn't too hard to install. You guys see it. It's really up right now. Like it's cool. So no worries with that. Damn. It's a nice accent.